Good day, Miss. My name is Mirza Mashire and this is my final project video. This is my Git repository. In the SSC Dragon restaurant, my controller, model and view folders are there, and within them the Java codes, and in my test/test code all my test classes are there. This is my Git repository. Now for the project. This is my project. I've used NetBeans IDE 8.2 along with Java and PHP-MyAdmin, XAMPP in the background. In their group all my databases are present. I've used the MVC pattern to create my project, and here is the model classes, the controller classes and the view classes. Since I'm using Java JForm, the view classes for all these models are automatically generated as generated code. Unlike my previous iteration of this particular project, I have improved my controller class. Basically put, lines of code for particular buttons of the model were in private methods of the model class. What I did was move those lines of code into the controller classes and made public methods. All these new controller classes were already present in the model classes as private methods. I simply moved them and created public methods, thereby improving my controller and model. It uses the MVC pattern to run the project. When I run the project, the model along with the view is created, and when I press any button, the controller classes are called and the action of the button is performed. Now for the test code. This is the test packages and the test code. All my test codes are here. I have tested all the controller buttons. Let's look at two examples. Here is the test code for the contact info button. I have created a setup method and a test action performed, a test case. I import the button and then I create a new reference and then instantiate that reference and then run the test. All my controller classes have only one method, and that method is void. Therefore I did not need to use the assert class or methods, assert methods of the JUnit. This is also the same, but with one difference. For certain buttons I need both the model and the controller to run tests. That's why I imported the model and the controller. I have done all the necessary imports to run all the necessary tests. Now let us test the project. When I test the project, since I've used J option panel and dialog message boxes, they will appear. See, here's one. I have also used many J option pane message boxes and dialogs, and that is why they are appearing here, because when I perform the action, the J option pane shows up. That is the action of the button. This is why they are showing up here, and I am pressing enter as the OK is already highlighted to continue the testing. My project is being tested right over here. And test passed 96.43%. I have passed all my tests. 27 tests have passed, but one test caused an error. This is the test that caused an error. Nevertheless, my project works fine, and here's the setup and test performed. There are 26 of them. The 27th one did not work out, and this is my entire project. The test results are here. 96.43% pass. NetBeans IDE, the controller, model and view, the test code, the PHP-MyAdmin, Git, source Dragon, restaurant and test code. Test code contains all the test code. Source Dragon restaurant contains the model, controller and view. This is my entire project, and thank you so much. Thank you so much, Miss. Have a nice day. This is my entire project. Have a nice day, Miss. Thank you.